request lists so and so interim order to continue.
In the week commencing 15/12.
Serial number 17 along with 7 connected cases.
My lord, petitioners are reserve category candidate lordship. We have challenged Annexure P1, the impugn clause 12.4 at page number 25 of the writ petition, my lord. This issue is already settled by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of your lordship, Union of India versus Sajiv Roy. I have filed the diet order, my lord, as seal number 1 in ERP section, my lord. इसका पैरा 25 है लॉर्डशिप, पैरा 25 मैरिड लॉर्डशिप
Of
पैरा 25 of lordship the judgment passed by the Honorable
Sajeev Roy.
You lordship Sajiv Roy.
Yes, para 25.
25 my lord. The basic issue यहाँ पर ये लॉर्डशिप एक बार मैं लॉर्डशिप से प्रार्थना करूंगा कि एक बार मैं यहाँ पर क्लियर कर दूं my lord कि इसमें इशू ये है कि टेट एग्जाम्स में इन्होंने जो मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने नया सर्कुलर जारी किया था इसमें एडवर्टीजमेंट में कि अगर आपने टीटी एग्जाम जिस रिजर्व कैटेगरी से पास किया तो सिलेक्शन टेस्ट में आपको उसी कैटेगरी में रखा जाएगा. You will not have power, you will not have a right to migrate in a general category, and that is bad in law, lordship. Lordship, I am reading this, para 25. In this backdrop, the bench held, irrespective of the applicability of circular dated so and so, relaxation in TT qualifying marks does not amount to concession which would entitle migration of reserve candidates against unreserved seats. The bench opened 81. Once the vital differentiation is understood, it would lead to the conclusion that no concession becomes available to the reserve category candidates by giving relaxation in passing marks in TT and so on as recruitment process concerned. It only enables them to compete with others by allowing them to participate in the selection process. In this backdrop, irrespective of the circular data so and so, the reserve category candidates who secured more marks than the marks obtained by the last candidate selected in general category would be entitled to be considered against unreserved category vacancies. However, it would be subject to the condition that these candidates have not availed any other concession in terms of number of attempts, etc., etc. It may also be opposite to the note that earlier circular applicable to the selection process did not put a restriction on a selection of the reserve candidates availing concession in TT marks for appointment in unreserved seat providing they secured higher than the last selected unreserved candidate. So, my lord, हमने इसको चैलेंज किया है. Now, your lordship may come at I'm praying Annexure P1.
Please see paragraph 33 of the order.
33, your lordship.
Oh, sorry, para 32 onwards.
My lord, on the analysis of aforesaid cases, please summarize as follows. Whether reserve candidates who have availed relaxation fees upper age limit to participate in open competition with general candidates may be recruited against unreserved seats would depend on the facts of each case. That is to say, in the event there is no embargo in the recruitment rules, employer noticing such reserve candidates who have secured higher than the last selected unreserved candidates shall be entitled to migrate and be recruited against unreserved seats. However, if an embargo is imposed under relevant recruitment rules, such reservation candidates shall not be permitted to migrate general seat. But lordship, in the year 2018,
para 33.
Accordingly, we hold as the respondent writ petitions had availed concession of the age for participation in the recruitment process in the teeth of office. Memorandum dated so and so. High Court was wrong in the finding the issue of Jitendra Kumar and permitting them to consider for appointment in unreserved category. Considering we set aside the common impeachment order dated so and so and disallow the appeals.
Now come to the facts of your case. Tell us your case.
My fact, yes, Annexure P1, my lord.
Yes.
Annexure P1, page number 25, clause 12.
First, tell us your facts. Tell us your facts.
My facts is lordship.
What do you want? You want migration?
Yes, my lord. हम माइग्रेशन इस बेस पे मांग रहे हैं कि हमारा जो सिलेक्शन टेस्ट हुआ है
तो माइग्रेशन जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए मांग रहे हो?
नहीं, हम रिजर्व कैटेगरी के कैंडिडेट्स मांग रहे हैं कि जो रिस्ट्रिक्शन उन्हें टीटी के अकॉर्डिंग लगाया है ये लागू नहीं होना चाहिए. सिलेक्शन टेस्ट.
Have you scored more than the general candidates?
हाँ, माय लॉर्ड, इन्होंने तभी रिजल्ट जारी किया, इन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह से स्टार्ट कर दिए. हमने माय लॉर्ड, मैं अगर आज की डेट मुझे मिल जाएगा
Supreme Court, one second. Supreme Court says two things. you should have scored more than the general candidates
Yes, we have scored,
and
my
not
lord.
availed of benefit, and there should not be any embargo in the rules.
My lord.
Have you, first question, have you scored more than the general candidates?
Yes, my lord.
Have you availed benefit of any reservation?
No, my lord. TT,
Show us
except
that.
TT examination.
TT exam they have available.
वो तो वही हुआ ना, टीटी एग्जामिनेशन तो ले लिया ना बेनिफिट
But
आपने.
lordship, TT exams में दिया गया concession that will not count in the selection test, lordship, because
Why
मुझे
not?
particular, because lordship मुझे
अगर आपको टीईटी में कंसेशन ना मिलता तो आप क्वालिफाई करते.
नहीं,
सर तो उसमें मुझे पर्टिकुलर नहीं मिला माय लॉर्ड, एक पूरे के पूरे लॉबी को मिला है, पूरी रिजर्व कैटेगरी को. अगर ये केस तब होता है लॉर्डशिप जो मुझे पर्टिकुलर दिया जाता, नहीं यू फर्स्ट स्टेज में आपको ये अवेल किया है तो आपको हम नहीं दे सकते. बट दिस इज ओनली टू ग्राउंड्स लॉर्डशिप, अनरिजर्व एंड रिजर्व कैटेगरी. एंड रिजर्व कैटेगरी में ईडब्ल्यूएस, एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी एंड ऑल, एंड रिजर्व अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी में सिर्फ अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी. So already in the para 25, honorable court has said that TT में दिया गया concession will not be amount to consider. क्योंकि लॉर्ड से हमारा भी केस यही है कि अगर हमारे
Where does it say that? वो कहाँ लिखा टीईटी में कंसेशन नहीं होगा?
योर लॉर्डशिप में
पैरा 25 में आइए दोबारा.
जी माय लॉर्ड, पैरा 25.
Yes. Please read.
My lord, may I read again? In the background, the bench held respective applicability of circular dated 11/5/11. Relaxation in TT qualifying mark does not amount to concession which would entitle migration.
Please see the finding of this court. It may also be opposite to note.
Lordship, in para 25?
Yes, para 25 का जो after the 81, para 81
My
is
lord,
extracted,
once the
उसकी
vital
बात करिए.
differentiation is understood, it would lead
No,
to
no, उसके बाद उसका अगला पैराग्राफ
Oh,
सब
it may
पैराग्राफ है.
also be opposite to note that the earlier circular applicable to the selection process did not put a restriction on selection of the reserve category candidates availing concession TT marks for appointment in
Provided.
unfit.
Provided.
the seats
पढ़िए ना आगे. Provided.
Seats provided they scored higher than the last selected unreserved candidates. Yes, Lord, we have.
Is this the आपने last selected unreserved candidate से ज्यादा स्कोर किया क्या?
हाँ माय लॉर्ड, मैंने किया है. मुझे आज का समय मिलेगा, मैं पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल कर दूंगा लॉर्ड से, जितने पिटिशनर मेरे, क्योंकि अभी इन्होंने
तो आप पहले शो करिए पहले वो शो करिए.
लॉर्डशिप परसों के इसको लिस्ट कर दिया जाए लॉर्डशिप, क्योंकि इन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन स्टार्ट कर दिया. मैंने रीआरपी में लगाया है, सर्कुलर डेटेड 26 तारीख लास्ट डेट है. मैं आज ही फाइल कर देता हूँ माय लॉर्ड, मेरे को आज ही जा दीजिए, मेरे पास सब कुछ डाटा है.
But all the candidates, those who have cleared TET in reserve category has not been restricted.
यस,
Only the candidates, those who cleared the TET by getting the additional benefit of the marks, have been restricted to migrate in the general category in selection exam.
Yes, ma'am.
12.4 again.
This is
Not
what-
all. This is, as you argued that on wholesale, all the candidates, those who cleared TET in reservation have been restricted.
मेरी prayer
And this restriction was there in the rules also earlier.
लॉर्डशिप रूल्स में होना चाहिए था लॉर्डशिप. मे अप्रिशिएट माय लॉर्ड. एनेक्जर P3, दिस इज द मेन रूल्स, दिस इज द पेरेंट रूल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल्स 2018, एंड देयर इज नो एनी एम्बार्गो कि आप उनको पहले बताना चाहिए था कि आपको ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. मे आई अप्रिशिएट
तो आप
लाइन.
ज्यादा मार्क्स ले आते हैं,
नहीं तो आप क्या ज्यादा ले आते नंबर?
ज्यादा मार्क्स ले आते हैं आप. पहले बता देते कि आपको
जी, अगर
benefit
पहले
मिलेगा,
बताते तो हम
marks
ज्यादा
ले
पढ़
आते.
लेते, नहीं बताते तो हम कम पढ़ते.
सेंट्रल लेवल लॉर्डशिप,
हमने ट्राई नहीं किया ज्यादा.
in a central level also the KVS recruited the according to CET examination they never say कि आपके पास इतने मार्क्स होंगे तो हम रिजल्ट. उनका सिर्फ एक क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स है कि भाई आपने TT क्वालिफाई किया है, राइट. टू बी अ सिविल जज यू हैव टू बी एन एडवोकेट समवेयर. सो इट मींस नॉट कि आपने एडवोकेसी जब रजिस्ट्रेशन किया तो उसमें आप 40 मार्क्स लाए कि 55 मार्क्स लाए. मैंने एडवोकेसी की किसी रिजर्व कैटेगरी में लॉट 35% कोर्स क्वालिफाई कर
there
लिया
is a
उसमें.
difference.
You see, now you are relying on a Supreme Court judgment. We are bound by it.
नहीं लॉर्डशिप, मैं TT एग्जाम्स के कंसर्न में कि उसका
Supreme. This is in para 25 is in context of TET examination.
Same.
मेरा सिर्फ इतना सबमिशन लॉर्डशिप, एनेक्जर P3 that is a rules, there is no any embargo, and second country
May not be an embargo, but Supreme Court has said, provided you have scored more than the last
ये
selected
लॉर्डशिप
unreserved
परसों लिस्ट कर
candidate.
दिया लॉर्डशिप, क्योंकि ताकि हम भी शामिल हो सकें. अगर हमारे मार्क्स आए हैं तो हम शामिल हो सकेंगे, क्योंकि 26 लास्ट डेट है डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन की. कल लिस्ट कर दिया जाएगा.
Learned counsel relies on the decision of the Supreme Court in
This is
Union
Sajeev
of
Rai.
India versus Sajeev Roy.
Sajeev. It's reference serial number
in Union of India versus Sajib Roy, 2025 live law SC.
Live law SC 881.
इसका इक्विवेलेंट SCC ऑनलाइन की साइटेशन नोट कर लीजिए टू कंटेंड दैट that a reserved candidate, that there is no restriction on selection of the reserved candidate availing concession in TET marks for appointment in unreserved seat provided the candidate had scored higher than the last selected unreserved candidate. Learned Counsel prays for time to verify and produce the marks of each of the petitioner to show that they have that they have all scored higher than the last selected unreserved candidate.